Okay, so at this point, you've signed up for EMP, the platform, and you've gone through your onboarding. And now it's time to add customers to the system so that they can log in and utilize the different tools that it provides. So from the dashboard, I can go down here to the left and click Settings. And then I will click My Staff. And right here, I can see all the people that have been added to my company. You may see some advanced team members too that have access to manage your account. But you would click New Employee, and you're going to come in and put in the name. So John Doe, John at advanced.net. Ideally, if they have a cell phone number that they want to use for like two-factor authentication or phone calls are going to be forwarded to them, I like to put a cell phone number here. But you don't have to. Mainly, you just need the first name, last name, and email address, and then click Next. And this gets to the roles and permissions. And here you can either set them up as a user so that they can just use the system as a user would, or an admin where they actually have access to the settings. And then you can select their data visibility. So if you hover over the little icon here, you can see that, hey, if you don't want them to see all the customers in the system, just those customers that are assigned to them, contacts that are assigned to them, opportunities and stuff like that, it just shows data that's assigned to them. And then if you want to get more granular, you can actually go down and select the different tools that somebody would have access to. Okay, and don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. The tools are, the permissions are pretty granular. You could start with everything and start to roll back some of the permissions and see if the users can do everything that they need to do. But you do have the ability to these fine-grained permissions here, control what people can and can't do. Now, once you click save, it's going to send that person an email about their account. They need to check their inbox or their spam folder to make sure they get the link to activate their account. Once they do and they set their password, they should be able to log into the platform.